gonna just start in half of this nail, even though this nail is short. So it doesn't matter, you can do full nails, you can do half nails, it's up to you. All right, here for 30 seconds. And I am probably gonna go ahead and do all of them. I'm gonna do the same theme like that. So then if any of you are like transfer foil a lot and some of fun ideas, tomorrow probably gonna do a lot of stickers and fusioning. Unless you have anything request, absolutely would love to fulfill your request. Let me see. Hey Janice, how are you? Genials, hello, thanks so much for tuning in. Hi, yeah, hello, thanks so much. All right, so doesn't matter, you can do diagonals, you can do right on the cuticles, you can do on half of the nails. It doesn't matter, whatever you would like, or you have an idea for your clients, or you can do V-shaped design. Absolutely, really depend on what you would like. I just want something different today. All right, so let's clear this one 30 seconds as well. And let's see how this one's gonna do for us. I like this big flowers on this. Do right in the center first, and then rub it on the side using my really fun magic tweezers. See how cool it is. It's just one half of it, and so depend on what way you want on your foil. It's fun to do a short nail as well. So today's we do short nails, and then Tuesday, which is tomorrow, we are going to do a long nails, and then we'll go back and forth like that. So then all of you who have a long nails clients get an ideas, and the short nail clients had an idea as well. So and we are going to use this one. I have it right here. Make sure you key it for 30 seconds. If your lamp is not feeling like it's not keying it properly for you, you can absolutely doing it like 60 seconds or even longer to make sure it key it first. Tell me the same thing too, you related to. I know, I tried to find the best spots. So chamfer is really nice. This one is really cool though. If you know, if I have a long nails, I'm gonna chamfer like on this like edges right here. But if you don't have it, then I don't know, it doesn't matter, it's gonna look good anyway. It's hard to like get all of them, unless if you're doing a whole set, you can do like chamfer on all 5 nails. I think it's gonna be a great idea as well. Just trying to get them connect together. It looks like a full portrait or whatever it is, pictures. go. All right, so it's super cool, simple, easy. I'm gonna go to each nail first, and we'll go next will be all my gel painting and bottles. So I'm gonna start with the green first. It's really precise brush. No, I don't know. You can do this in like yellow. You think? Green or yellow? Doesn't matter. I was using a green. Can you see?
Yeah, fine. Keep going.
Hold on. This one get in my way. There you go. Sorry guys, like the sun's getting right in my face, so I can't really like quite see it. You can do this half nail like the way I doing, or you can just like doing it like 70%, 80%, 60%, doesn't matter. You can move your foils up higher. All right, so I'm gonna clear this one for 30 seconds. I'm gonna move on to the next nails, which is purple. So I am going to use the purples. Like this one, you can do light pink as well. It doesn't matter. There's some little hint of purple. You also literally can make it like a little bit to be lighter. Hey Dom, how are you? Mika there. Hope you ladies have a great time with your family, and happy Labor Days to everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by. Tuning in. This one, it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna get some crystal and flowers on this one, so it's just fun. Clear this one again, and I'll move into the next nails. I am going to do pink on this one. Hey Mika, happy Labor Days. Hey Beauty Studio. Hey Jennifer, Mama Cash, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. I think I dropped something. All right, okay, this one. And then the last ones, we are going to do blue. Hey, Jennifer, how are you, love? Miss you. It's been like, it feel like just yesterday. We've been like what, few months, huh? We did the class in like February, and then it's now September. Like 7 months flew by. Love your beautiful whoop. All right, so I'm gonna just clear this one. All right, now, so I have a lot of cool fun things going on here. You can I'm thinking of this baby meat jars with all different neons.